While attending a professional conference in another city, imagine that you just arrived at a social event with many people who work in the same industry as you: medicine, engineering, education, etc. While you are learning about new things in your field, you are also meeting new people who work in the same industry. These people work for other companies or organizations, and they may know about available jobs. Whenever you meet new people in a professional setting, it is important that you have a short description that you can use to introduce yourself to others. We've looked at things to say in a networking elevator speech, and how to stress certain words and pause in specific places. Now it is your chance to try it out.
Hello, my name is Robin Turner, and I've been an English language instructor for over 15 years. I taught English in many different programs in Japan, Bulgaria, and New York. I'm looking to work with other instructors to help build online courses. I really enjoy working with international students because I learn so much about different people, places, and cultures. One of my best skills is being flexible and willing to try new things.